Hi, this is Shelley Lefko, co-founder of the Lefko Institute. Boy, what a year 2021 has been. I think a lot of us are going to be very happy to say goodbye to it. But what if this year is the year where you get to the end of it and look back and say, wow, that was an awesome year? What if this year you could stop procrastinating and start going for it? You could start being your authentic self, fully self-expressed. What if you could step up your philanthropy, or write that book, or quit that job, or start the business you've always wanted to start? What if you could be in a relationship that nurtured you, that was awesome? I say that you could. And I'm going to give you an opportunity to experience what I think is in the way. So a lot of people will say to you, the only thing that's in your way is you. I say the only thing that's in your way are your beliefs. We have beliefs, most of which are unconscious, that totally keep us from being, doing, and having the things that we want to be, do, and have. So let's make this the year where you give yourself the gift of having the life you want. If you go to recreateyourlife.com, you can eliminate a belief for free. And then if you're so moved, you can get the Natural Confidence Program, which is 19 of the most common self-esteem beliefs that underlie a lot of the issues that I talked about. So I wish you a happy, healthy new year. And may next year end with you saying, wow, that was an awesome year.